Today I'm making ice cream. Hello everyone. I learned how to make ice cream and I want to try it out today for the very first time. So this is frozen blueberry fruits, and first of all we have to blend them, but I poured it out here just to show you what it looks like. It's frozen, and then this is what it looks like. Kind of has this purple look, but is blueberry. Then I poured everything in my blender, so I will blend everything. Even if I don't use all of them, I will save some for next time. So I poured everything, and then if you're with it up to this moment, guess what? Follow for more, and then click share button to share it to all your friends. They should come and learn something new today. It's how to make ice cream, and I'm starting with the blueberries. So after blending your blueberries, then you pour it out in the plate, and then we set this aside. So now let's go start with the ice cream. Get your bowl, your very clean bowl, and then you get your whipping cream. So we need 3 cups of whipping cream. So we'll pour the first one, the second one, the third one, and then we'll use our electric hand mixer, and then we'll mix it very well. So you keep mixing these until it gives you a very stiff consistency. Come on, look at it. It's already turning into something very thick, and then ooh la la, guess what? Very thick. Now next is to get your condensed milk. 1 can of condensed milk. You open it, and then you pour everything in it. So now you also mix it very well until everything is properly mixed, and then it's ready. Just look at how it feels already. Come on, it's very easy to make ice cream, I tell you. So the next we're gonna do is to scoop out some. I'm starting with the blueberries. I scoop out some, and then add some of my blended fruits. That's the blueberry frozen fruit. You can see how thick it is, and then I added it to the mixture. Then you mix it with your spoon. Woo, look at it. Okay, come on. What do you think? I want to mix it. I don't want to make it very smooth. I want to have all those, like a marble design. Oh, guess what? So this is part one. And then in part two, I want to combine these blueberries with another fruit so that I'll have like 2 colors. So watch out for part two. Don't miss the final video.